welcome back, and thanks for tuning in to another show. I'm so excited that you're here with me today. We are going to learn another fun activity today, and what we're going to do is we're going to work on these 3 kindergarten readiness goals. The first one we're going to work on is writing your numbers. We've done this before, but today we're going to do it a different way. The next one we're going to work on is recognizing your numbers. That means that you need to be able to look at a number and tell me what number it is. And the last one we're going to work on is following simple directions. And I know you can do that. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is tell you that today you're going to need shaving cream because we are going to write our numbers, but we're not going to use a pencil. We're not going to use a pen, a marker, or anything like that. We're going to write our numbers in shaving cream. This should be fun. I hope you're excited. So I'm going to go ahead and count to the number 10 to allow you to go ask your mom or dad, can you get some shaving cream? Okay? All right, I'm going to count to 10 while you go look for your materials. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you're back and ready to tune in. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started with our activity. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you are going to spray some of your shaving cream on your board or wherever you plan to make your numbers at, okay? And I've already sprayed my shaving cream on, so the next thing we're going to do is you're going to spread it out. Make it nice and flat so that you can write on your surface. So you can use a table or you can use a tray like Miss Bacon is or whatever you want. And right now you're just smearing it out. Smearing it out. All right. And we're actually going to go ahead and do our first number. So the first number we're going to do looks like this. Do you know what number that is? That's right. It's the number 10. So I'm going to erase my number 10. And we're going to do it together, so you need to do it with me. We're going to draw the number 1, and the number 0. Because the number 1 and the number 0 makes 10. Great job. All right. Now, let's do another number. Do you know what number this is? It has a circle at the top and a straight line down. Do you know what number that is? That's right. It's the number 9. Can you say 9? Great. I'm going to erase that number 9 and I'm going to do it with you, or you're going to do it with me. So let's make a circle at the top. The number 9 has a circle at the top and a straight line down. Great job. That's the number 9. All right. Let's move on to the next number. Let's see. Do you know what number this is? That's right, it's the number 8. The number 8 kind of looks like a snowman. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to erase it and we're going to do it together. Are you ready? All right. I'm going to make a circle at the top and a circle at the bottom. That's how you make the number 8. The number 8. Great job. All right, let's do another number. All right. Do you know what number this is? That's right, it's the number 7. So I'm going to erase it and we're going to do the number 7 together. Are you ready? All right. Number 7 has a straight line over and a straight line down. That's the number 7. You're doing a great job. All right. Let's move on to the next number. This number has a circle at the bottom and a hook. Do you know what number that is? Doing it upside down. Miss Bacon messed that up. Let me turn that the right way. That one was hard for me to do upside down. I'm totally sorry. You probably don't know what number that is. Let's do it like this. There. Do you know what number that is? I'm sorry. That's right. It's the number 6. The number 6 has a circle at the bottom. So I'm not going to erase that so that I can make sure that I'm making my letter 6 right, my number 6 right. And I'm going to do another number 6 over here. So let's do a circle at the bottom and a hook at the top. Number 6. That one's hard for Miss Bacon to do upside down. But I'm trying. Want to make sure you can see it. Hang on just a second. Got to make sure my shaving cream stays on top of my board here. All right. On to the next number. All right, the next number we're going to work on is this number. It looks like this. Line across, line down, and a small little belly. Do you know what number this is? That's right, it's the number 5. So I'm going to erase it so we can do it together. All right. This is so messy. All right, so we're going to do a line over and a line down and a small little belly. Remember what number it is. It's the number 5. All right. What about this number? Do you know what number this is? Has a line over, a long line down, and a short line down. Do you know what number that is? That's right, it's the number 4. All right, now let's do it together. Remember, it has a line over and a long line down and a short line down. That's the number 4. All right. What about this number? Do you know what number this is? That's right, it's the number 3. I'm going to erase it so we can do it together. All right, we're going to start at the top and make a hump. And then one more hump, because that's how you make the number 3. You're doing a great job. All right, let's see about our next number. Hopefully I can make this one upside down. All right, so our next number looks like this. Do you know what number that is? 2. Great job. All right, and I'm going to erase it so we can do it together. All right, the number 2 has a small little hump and a line back. Great job. That is the number 2. All right, and one last number. Do you know what number this is? That's right, it's the number 1. Wow, you're super smart. Erase it so we can do it together. All right, let's try to do it together. Number 1, just a straight line down. Wow, look how good of a job you did. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to give you a smiley face because you did such a good job today. So it's going to look like this. 1 little eye, 2 little eye, and a big old smile. Thumbs up, friends. You did a great job today. All right, friends, I know we did some fun things today. We actually wrote our numbers with shaving cream, and look how messy my hands are. That's actually the end of our show. You were able to recognize numbers, you were able to write numbers, and you also followed simple directions. So guess what? I'm super proud of you. But unfortunately, it's the end of our show. You can always watch this show over and over and over and keep practicing. Just go and get more shaving cream and keep practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you can do it. I guess we'll get off here for now, and I'll see you at the next show. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.